I'm gonna see if a potato can work as an actual battery. For this experiment, I'm gonna be using the potato clock by Green Science. First, connect a copper plate with a zinc plate and with a wire. Next, connect the wires coming out of the clock to another copper and zinc plate. Now the fun part. Insert the copper and zinc plates into the potatoes. It kinda works, but not completely. The clock's only showing half the time. The metal strips are electrodes. Acids in the potato cause a reaction, and electrons flow between the metal strips. That flow of electrons makes current. The current flows through the wires and powers the clock. Other things like soda and fruit can also work. I also tried this experiment with Sprite and got the same result. Please subscribe for more videos.